Welcome, I am Dr. Merlin Saxon. In this video we will talk about the best way to lose weight fast. Getting rid of belly fat is important, not only because it makes you look unattractive or affects your confidence level. It is bad for your health too and puts you at a higher risk of conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, dementia and fatty liver disease. This ingredient burns belly fat and keeps clogged arteries away. It is also a powerful antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory and antifungal agent. But before you see how it helps reduce body fat, it is important to learn more about this miracle liquid. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid made from apples. It contains vitamins, enzymes, mineral salts and amino acids. It contains few calories and virtually no carbohydrates. There are several ways that apple cider vinegar may lead to weight loss. 1. Controls blood sugar. Controlling your blood sugar level is important for preventing complications related to obesity and leading a healthy life. To control blood sugar, apple cider vinegar is effective, and this is mainly due to its high acetic acid content. 2. Boosts metabolism. Apple cider vinegar helps boost your metabolism rate, allowing you to burn calories more efficiently. It helps alkalize the body, thus preventing you from becoming too acidic, which can make it difficult to reach your weight loss goal. 3. Curbs fat storage. Another reason why apple cider vinegar is beneficial in burning belly fat is that it prevents fat storage and aids in the fat burning process. 4. Suppresses appetite. Apple cider vinegar also suppresses appetite, which helps prevent you from eating junk food. High intake of junk food is linked to obesity and belly fat. How to use apple cider vinegar to lose belly fat. Including apple cider vinegar in your diet is not a complicated process. However, you need to always keep in mind to take raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. This type of apple cider vinegar is cloudy in texture and has sediment in the bottom known as the mother. This contains all the probiotic bacteria and enzymes that make this product so powerful. The amount of apple cider vinegar used for weight loss is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Just mix the required amount into a glass of lukewarm water. Add the juice of 1 lemon and a little honey. Mix well. Drink it twice daily. Another easy method is to use it with olive oil as a salad dressing. You can also use it to make pickles. When it comes to apple cider vinegar for weight loss, always start slow. While 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is a healthy dose, some people find they need to work up to this level. Start with 1 teaspoon and gradually increase the amount. Also, you need to be patient. Apple cider vinegar is a slow and steady method of weight loss. You won't get a result within a week, but with time you will see the difference. You can flatten your stomach faster by coupling your new apple cider vinegar regimen with regular exercise and a healthy diet. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more important information.